Dear students, I am Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So today we'll continue algebra. We have already introduced. Today we'll learn how to solve the questions in exercise 8.2. We'll learn writing variables in exponential form. Then we'll solve some problems. So how to write the variables in the exponential form? For example, I'll write your a is a variable, a multiplies a, this gives you a square. A multiplies 3 times, we'll write this will be a cube. A multiplied 4 times, I'll write a raised to the power 4 or just a power 4. Similarly, if it will be b multiplies b multiplies b, it will be how much? It will be b to the power 5. Now you will write x multiplies x multiplies x. I'll go for 10 times. Then how much it will be? It will be x to the power 10, x power 10. If it is your x multiplies x, then your y multiplies y. 2 times x, 2 times y, then it will be x power 2 into y power 2. Sometimes there may not be a multiplication sign in between. So but you should think that there is a multiplication in between. It may be written in this way. Similarly, here may be some numbers also. You will read 2 into x into y 3 times. I'll write it will be 2x y cube. But here, first alphabetically you will go, you will take x, y, then z. Similarly, we can write exponential form in product form. If it is written y to the power 4, that means here y is multiplied 4 times. X to the power 3, that means x is multiplied 3 times. If it is your x square and y cube, that means it is x multiplied 2 times and y multiplied 3 times. Similarly, there may be number here 2x, y, z. That means it between they are all multiplication sign. 2x into y into z. Now let us go for questions. This is page number 130, exercise 8.1, question number 3. Write the following in the exponential form. We'll get the question. We'll write in exponential form. First is b multiplies b 15 times. You know the answer. It will be power 15. Power will be like this, not above the head, but it will be at an angle. It will be 15. Next is second part is y multiplies y multiplies y. How many times you are going 20. So it has a power 20. So y power 20. Next 14 multiplies a multiplies a multiplies a multiplies a. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. B. How many times? 3 times. So I'll write 14 a 4 times, b 3 times. So we may not write multiplication in between. No need of writing multiplication sign in between. It will be understood there is multiplication. Similarly, 6 multiplies x multiplies x multiplies y multiplies y. So this will be 6 x power 2 y power 2. Next, 3 Z how many times? 3 times. Y how many times? 2 times. X how many times? 1 time. So it will be 3 Z power 3, Y power 2, X power 1. Next is question number 4. Question is write down the followings in the product form. Now we'll write the exponential form into product form. First is x squared y power 4. So how much it is? X is multiplied how many times? 2 times. Y multiplied how many times? 4 times. Answer. Next, 6. Y how many times? 5 times. So go on writing. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Finished. Next is 9. 1 times x, 2 times y, y squared and z. So 9, go on multiplying x, how many times y, 2 times, how many times z, 1 z. Answer. Next 10. 10 a cube power 3. A power 3 we read as a cube, a squared, or simply you can write a cube, a square. So 10 a cube means how many times? 3 times. B how many times? 3 times. C how many times? 3 times. 3 times. So this is the answer. Next we'll evaluate algebraic expression. What does it mean? We'll find the value of this algebraic expressions. For example, your a square. Now this value changes when the value of a change. If a is 2, then it will be a square will be a into a, or it will be 2 multiplies 2. That is 4. Same a squared, if I write a is equal to 3, it takes another value. How much it takes? A into a, that time it will be 3 multiplies 3. So what is the answer? Answer is 9. That means the variable values when changed, the whole algebraic expression changes. For example, I am taking another example, a plus b. Now if a is 2 and b is 3, its value will be how much? 2 plus 3, that will be 5. This is the meaning of evaluating. We are getting the constant value when we put a value in the variables. Okay. So we are starting exercise 8.2, question number 1. If a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, find the value of, just we have discussed now, a plus b. So a plus b, in place of a, I'll put 2, in place of b, I'll put 3. So it will be 3, 2 plus 3. How much? It is 5. So 5 is the answer. Second, a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. You will find a squared plus a into b. So a squared plus a into b, that means this is your a multiplies a plus this is a multiplies b. Now in place of a, I'll put 2. In place of b, I'll put 3. So it will be 2 multiplies 2 plus 2 multiplies 3. 2 multiplies 2 is 4. 2 multiplies 3 is 6. So this is 4, this is 6. What is the answer? Answer is 10. Next. Next, a value remains same, b same. This is fifth part. 5a square minus twice ab. So 5a square minus twice ab. So I am leaving some parts for you so that you can develop problem solving. You can solve yourself. So this will be 5. A square means A multiplies A. So first is complete. Then minus 2 into A into B. 2AB is 2 multiplies. I am writing all product form. Then I'll put the value. So what is A? A is 2. In place of A, I'll put 2. And in place of 3B, I'll put 3. So 5 into 2 into 2. First term is complete. Minus 2 into 2 into 3. So how much it will be? 5 2 times 10 to 20 minus 2 4 minus 3 12. So answer is your 8. Next sixth part. A cube. Cube of A cube minus B cubed. That means how many times A will be multiplied? 3 times. How much time B will be multiplied? 3 times. Next we'll put the values. In place of A, I'll put 2 multiplies 2 multiplies 2. A is 2 here. Subtract B. 3 multiplies 3 multiplies 3. So 2 multiplies 2 multiplies 2, 8. 3 multiplies 3 multiplies 3, 27. So what is the answer? Answer is minus 19. 8 minus 27 minus 19. Next is question number 2. X is 1, Y is 2, Z is 5. Find the value of 3 times of X minus 2 Y plus 4Z. You have to get the value of this. So 3X minus 2Y plus 4Z can be written as 3 multiplies X minus 2 multiplies Y plus 4 multiplies Z. So this will be 2i's. What is x here? X is 1 minus 2 multiplies y. Y is 2. Y is 2 here. Plus 4 multiplies z is your 5. So get the value. 2 multiplies 1 is 2 minus 4 plus 20. 3 times of, oh sorry, this was 3. Very sorry. This was 3. 3 times of x. 3 multiplies 1. So 3 minus 4, 2 multiplies 2, 5, yes. So now 3 plus 20, this gives you 23, minus 4, this gives you 19. Answer. Next is second part. Same question, x is 1, y is 2, z is 5, you evaluate this. So x squared. X squared means x into x. Y squared, y into y. Z squared, z into z. So x value is 1, 1 into 1. Y 2 multiplies 2. 5 multiplies 5. Z is 5. Z is 5. So the answer is 1 plus 2, 2 times 4 plus 5, 5 times 25. 5, 5 times gives you 25. So 25 plus 4, 29 plus 1, 30 is the answer. Next. X is 1, y is 2, z is 5. Find the value of 2x squared minus 3y squared z square. So 2 square of x minus 3y square plus z square is equal to 2 into how many times x? 2 times. Next minus 3 y how many times? 2 times. Plus z how many times? 2 times. So this will be 2. I'll put the value of x. X is 1. 1 into 1. Next I'll go for y. Y is equal to 2 multiplies 2 Then I'll go for Z. 5 multiplies 5. Z is 5. So it is 2 multiplies 1, 2. 3, 2, 6 2s, 4. 6, 2 times 4. Plus 25. So 25 plus 2. 27 minus 12. 27 minus 12 is your 15. Next, sixth part. X is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 5. Find the value of x cube, y cube, z cube. Now you know what is the meaning of cube. Meaning of cube is multiply same thing 3 times. So x multiplied 3 times minus y multiplied 3 times. Then your z multiplied 3 times. So 1 multiplies 1 because the value of x is 1 minus 2 multiplies 2, y is 2. Subtraction 5, how many times? 5 times. Now go for calculation. 1 multiplies by 1 multiplies by 1. 2 multiplies 2, 4 multiplies 2, 8. Now 5 multiplies 25. 25 multiplies 5. This gives you 125. 25. Now you calculate. 1 minus 8 is minus 7. Minus 7, 125 gives you minus 132. Next, question number 3. Here the values are negative. P is minus 2. Q is your, this is Q, this is your R. R is 3. P is minus 2, Q is minus 1, R is 3. Find the value of P square plus Q square minus R square. So P square plus Q square minus R square. P square means P multiplies by P plus Q square, Q multiplies Q, then minus R multiplies R. So this will be minus 2 multiplies minus 2 because P is minus 2. Then Q is minus 1 multiplies minus 1. Then your minus 3 multiplies 3. So negative 2 times multiplication gives you positive. 2 times 4. Here also 2 times negative you will get your plus 4. Plus 1. Minus 3, 3 times 9. So this will be 5 minus 9 minus 4 is the answer. Next, by mistake it will be Q, it will be R. By mistake is written like this, okay. P is minus 2, Q is minus 1, R is 3. We'll go for PQ plus QQ plus RQ minus 3 times of P into Q into R. So PQ plus Q cubed plus RQ minus 3PQR is equal to PQ means P multiplies 3 times plus Q plus R minus how much? Minus 3PQR. Now you put the values. So P is minus 2, again minus 2, again minus 2. All negative, negative, negative. You can put bracket here or you can bracket one bracket only. Plus Q is minus 1. Minus 1 multiplies minus 1 multiplies minus 1. Then R is your 3. So no need of putting bracket. I can write one bracket. Minus 3 into P. P is minus 2. Q is minus 1. R is 3. So negative 3 times give you negative. Now 2 into 2 into 2, 8. So this is your negative. Let me erase it, write it properly. Negative 8. And this will be also 3 times negative, negative, negative 1. 1 into 1 into 1. Next is plus 3, 3 times 9, 3 times 27. Next come here. How many times negative? 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So it will be negative 3 times 2, 6 times 3, 18. So this will be how much? Minus 9 minus 18 plus 27. That will be 27 positive, 27 negative. Answer is 0. Next, same question. P is equal to minus 2, P is minus 2, Q is minus 1, R is equal to 3. You have to get P power 4 plus Q power 4 minus R power 4. So what is the meaning of power 4? P multiplies how many times? 4 times. So let us write now. P to the power 4 plus Q to the power 4 minus R to the power 4 is equal to how much? P multiplies P multiplies P multiplies P plus Q multiplies Q multiplies Q multiplies Q minus R multiplies R multiplies R multiplies R. And let us put the value minus 2 how many times? 4 times. Okay. Then minus Q is minus 1 how many times? In between all multiplication you should understand. So minus 1, then R is equal to 3 multiplies 3 multiplies 3 multiplies 3. So rest question you will do yourself. I have left deliberately so that you can also learn. So negative 4 times. It will be even number times it will be positive. Negative 2 twice, negative twice gives you positive. Negative 3 times gives you negative. Again negative 4 times gives you positive. So this will be 2, 2 times 4, 2 times 8, 16. Then come to minus 1 again 4 times it will be positive. 1, how many times you multiply gives you same result. Next 3, 3 times. 9. 3, 3 times 9. 9, 9 times 81. So this will be minus 81. So what is the result? 17 minus 81. Subtract, it will be minus 64. Next topic will be number of terms, number of coefficients of terms, numerical coefficients, constants and types of algebraic expression, all will be studying in the next video. So which is very important and it will be very enjoyable. So subscribe the channel and keep on watching. Thank you and have a nice time.